Have you ever wondered why bees are so crucial to our world? These tiny creatures hold an enormous role in our ecosystem, going about their daily routine, oblivious of the tremendous impact they have. Bees are our planet's most industrious pollinators, transferring pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This crucial process allows plants to produce fruit and seeds, contributing significantly to the variety and availability of the food we eat. But their importance doesn't stop at pollination. Bees are also prolific producers of honey, a sweet treat loved by many and used in countless recipes worldwide. The production of honey also contributes to our economy, creating jobs and income opportunities for beekeepers and honey vendors alike. And let's not forget the other valuable products bees produce: pollen, royal jelly, beeswax, propolis, venom, and even silk. Each has its own unique uses and benefits, which we'll explore in the coming scenes. Now that we understand the importance of bees, let's delve into the art and science of beekeeping. Beekeeping starts with understanding the hive. It's a bustling microcosm, each bee playing its role to perfection. At the top of the hierarchy, we have the queen bee. She's the mother of all, laying thousands of eggs to ensure the continuity of the colony. The worker bees, the industrious females, gather food, tend to the young and protect the hive. Then we have the drones, the males, with one simple purpose: to mate with the queen. Now let's talk about the treasures within this hive. Honey, the sweet gold we all love, is the bees' food for winter. Pollen, collected by worker bees, is a protein-rich food for the brood. Royal jelly, the exclusive food of the queen bee, is coveted for its health benefits. Beeswax is used for building the hive, while propolis is a resinous mixture that bees use as a sealant. Bee venom and silk, though less common, are fascinating products with unique uses. Now that we know what's inside a hive, let's explore how to harvest these valuable products. Honey and pollen are the most common products of a hive. Let's dive into the fascinating process of extracting these golden treasures. First, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment: a bee suit for protection, a smoker to calm the bees, a hive tool to open the hive, and an extractor to spin out the honey. To harvest honey, we gently remove the frames from the hive, brushing off the bees. Then, using a heated knife, we slice off the wax cappings that seal the honey in the cells. These frames are then placed in the extractor, which uses centrifugal force to spin the honey out. Collecting pollen is a slightly different process. Bees carry pollen in their pollen baskets, which are located on their hind legs. To collect this, we use a pollen trap at the hive's entrance. As bees enter, some pollen is knocked off into a collection tray. With honey and pollen harvested, we can move on to the more unique products of a hive. Royal jelly, beeswax, and propolis may not be as familiar as honey, but they are just as valuable. Each of these products has a unique role in the hive and beyond. Royal jelly, a milky secretion, is the exclusive food for the queen bee. It's highly nutritious and sought after for its potential health benefits. Harvesting takes a delicate hand, as it involves carefully removing the queen cells. Next up, beeswax. This natural wax is produced by worker bees and forms the structure of the hive. It's commonly used in candles, cosmetics, and even food. Collecting beeswax involves melting the honeycombs and then filtering out the impurities. Lastly, we have propolis. Bees create this resinous mixture from tree buds, and it serves as a kind of bee glue, sealing unwanted open spaces in the hive. It's harvested by scraping it off the hive walls and is known for its antimicrobial properties. These products are incredibly beneficial, but there's still more that a hive can offer. Venom and silk are the lesser-known products of a hive, but their value is undeniable. When we talk about bee venom, we're referring to a potent substance that's been used for centuries in various treatments, including arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Extracting venom is a delicate process, requiring a special apparatus that encourages bees to sting a glass surface, leaving behind a small amount of venom without harming the bee. Now let's turn our attention to silk. Yes, you heard right, bees produce silk. This isn't your typical silkworm variety, but a unique type produced by larvae to construct their cocoons. Harvesting bee silk is a meticulous process that involves carefully removing the cocoon from the hive, then unraveling the silk thread. Safety is paramount when dealing with venom and silk. Always use protective gear and handle bees with care to ensure their well-being. As we can see, a hive is a treasure trove of valuable products. Beekeeping is not just about harvesting products, but also about contributing to the environment. This simple truth encapsulates the multifaceted rewards of beekeeping. making it an endeavor that is as fulfilling as it is productive. Firstly, let's talk about the financial rewards. Honey, pollen, royal jelly, beeswax, propolis, venom, and even silk. These are all products of a thriving hive. Each has its own market, and with the growing interest in natural products, demand is only set to rise. Whether you're selling your honey at the local farmer's market or supplying beeswax to candle makers, beekeeping offers numerous avenues for financial gain. But the rewards of beekeeping extend beyond the mere monetary. Bees play a crucial role in our environment as pollinators, and by maintaining a hive, you're directly contributing to the health of your local ecosystem. It's estimated that 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat is a direct result of pollinators like bees. By keeping bees, you're helping to ensure the continuation of this vital service. And let's not forget the personal satisfaction that comes with beekeeping. There's something truly remarkable about observing these tireless workers up close, about understanding their complex social structure, and about participating in a tradition that dates back thousands of years. Beekeeping is a hobby that connects you with nature in a profound and unique way. It's an activity that demands patience, respect for the natural world, and a commitment to continual learning. But perhaps the most rewarding aspect of beekeeping is the sense of community it fosters. Beekeepers around the world share a common passion and a common goal: to protect and nurture these remarkable creatures. Whether you're swapping tips with a fellow beekeeper or teaching a child about the importance of bees, you're part of a global network of individuals who value nature, sustainability, and the sweet taste of honey. With the right knowledge and tools, you too can become a successful beekeeper and contribute to the well-being of our world. So why not give beekeeping a try? It's a journey that's sweet in more ways than one.